Hi guys, Tony here from KSIM. I want to introduce you to the actual software itself, YouTube Commando. It's a very, very powerful software. It's a complete strategy within the software as well, which I'm going to show you. It's not just doing tube Linkwheels, it's doing some other cool stuff too. So what I want to do is first is set things up, but it's very, very easy to use. So let me just go through some of the basic parts of it, and then we can see the thing in action. What we can do here is we can add channels. It's very, very simple to add the channel, and they can put just the username and the password of their channel to add more channels to it. Okay, they can add as many or as little as they want. The more they add, the bigger the link wheel is going to be. Okay, so in here we can add videos as well. So I can upload a video from my desktop into the software. It will upload it to YouTube. If I want to add 6 videos and I've got, say for example, 3 channels like I have right now, then it will distribute 2 videos to each channel. Okay, and it will do whatever video comes first, and as uploaded first will go to the first one, the second one will go to the second account, the third one will go to the third account, so on and so forth. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add some details in here. So the first thing that I want to do, actually before I do that, let me do something else, because I did a video yesterday and forgot to do this. We want to put in video that we're going to be linking to. Okay, this can be the main video that we want them to see. So that's the first part that you need to do. And the next part is to upload a video. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to find some videos that I've got. Let me go over here. I'll take one about these IFTTTs, and I'm going to choose one of these. Now what they need to do, but in here they need to choose MP4 or whatever the file type is that they want to upload. So I'm going to add that in there. Now for people watching this who are a little bit unsure about any sort of YouTube optimization, what I typically try and tell people to do, and this is very, very powerful in itself, is to do your keywords first and then build your keywords into the title. Whatever tags you're using on YouTube, to put them in the title and the description. Believe me, it works. It's been tested, it's proven. Okay, it's the kind of stuff I'm teaching to everybody in my membership and YouTube SEO Commando customers. This does work. Okay, so for example, this one is about how to create automated link wheels for every video that you upload to your YouTube channel. That's a different software I've got. That one is launching it straight after this one. So what I want to do then is put in my keywords. So I want to put automation, software, IFTTT, link wheels. Okay, and then I can build my title from there. So I'm going to say how to automate link wheels to YouTube. Hold on. It's every YouTube video you ever upload in 4 minutes. So it's a one-time set and forget. I haven't really got space to put that in there, but what I've done is I've used the word automate instead of automation. So what I'm doing is I'm building my tags into the keywords first. Okay, what I typically tell them to do as well is just to get the variation of the title in here. For the sake of doing simplicity of this video, I'm not going to play around with this too much, but what they need to do, and what I normally do and teach my people to do, something like this. Click here to learn more, and that is going to take them. What's going to happen then in the description, they do not need to put any links in here. What's going to happen next is when we start to upload the video, the money URL will be put in here. So what we're effectively doing is we're sending people over to watch another video to learn more, because this is just part information in this video I'm giving them, and so they're going to go and learn the full thing and how to get a hold of the software as well by doing that. So all I'm doing is telling them click here to learn more. We've got 3 lines that we can use that will show above the fold when we've got a video in YouTube. It doesn't have to be the first line, okay, but if some people prefer to use the first line, fine, can just move this one down and just leave a space in between, and the software will get a link in there anyway. But anyway, so what we need to do here, I need to remove this part. It says private, true or false. It's kind of defeats the purpose to do a link wheel if you're going to make it unlisted or private. So that will be gone by time of launch, and choose the category, and we will do that. Okay, so all I need to do is add and while I add that, all I need to do is click start uploading video. So I'm going to do just one video and 3 accounts, just for the simplicity of showing you how fast this thing works. Now when I click that, what I want to do is go over here, and you can see it's already started to upload. If I just pull that over, you can see it's uploading. Now this is pretty quick. In the meantime, excuse me, in the meantime, let me show you what these are here. So we can start indexing links, and we can start pinging links. If I start pinging the links after they are done, it's going to send to 2 pinging sites, okay? When I start indexing the links, it's going to go over here. You can see up here I've got settings. I've got Linklicious Me. If they got an account with Linklicious Me, especially got a premium account, it's very, very good to go and get those links instantly, and it's very, very fast to work in the software as well, okay? And if they got lindex.com, they can put an API key in there, and that will work as well, okay? So let's go back over here to the results. And you can see this one's still uploading. I can't remember how big that video is, but it is pretty fast anyway. When we come over here to Chimp Feeder, what's going to happen here is it will mash up the RSS feeds from the YouTube channels that we've got in our settings over here. Whatever YouTube channels we've got here, it's going to take the RSS feeds from the channels, and it's going to take the RSS feeds from the videos after they have uploaded. So it's going to do that. It's going to go over to chimpfeeder.com, which is very, very similar to Yahoo Pipes, but much simpler to use. And it's going to mash all of those RSS feeds up. What they need to do is give them RSS feed a name. So I might put in there YouTube optimization or something like that. And when you click on mashup, it's going to give a URL here. Okay, from that point, they can take that URL and go over to bulkping.com, and they can submit the mashed up RSS URL over to 25 RSS directories. Very powerful stuff. If I get time to build this in before launch, we will add the bulk ping to this particular feature. So we'll maybe have a drop down here like send to bulk ping. Okay, it's not hard for us to do. If not, I will do it within a week of launching. And sometimes it's better to do that after launch, because we're actually training people to whitelist the emails so that they can get the updates and stuff like that. So that's probably more likely a strategy that I would like to do. Okay, so after that has been done, what we can do is we can go over and post to onlywire.com. Okay, so if I click on there, it's going to pull in the money video URL, the one that we're linking to, but they can put any URL in there. So if they want to use it for even just the blog site or whatever, they've got a Squidoo lens or something, they can still do it like that too. Okay, this will also post over to onlywire.com. The good thing about it is that it drip feeds. It uses the advanced feature of OnlyWire. It drip feeds so that it's not 47 backlinks all at one time. Okay, I might try and build in here that we can spin the URLs as well. That would make a bit of sense as well. Okay, if I can get that done before launch, we will do. But we can, we can always take it further anyway after it's launched, and just keep giving them some good updates, and they can see it's a serious software that we take. That we want to take it further. Okay, now the description, title, etc. is spinnable. We can use that as spinnable. Okay, so let's go back over and see the upload results, and we can see the first one is completed already. If I go and click on that, the second one just completed as well, and you can see here the video is uploaded. There we go. Right, what I've done here is I've got my title is a little bit too big. That's actually pushed the link under the fold. Remember I told you we got 3 links, 3 lines we can use. Well, I need to tell them to shorten their titles so that will appear above the fold. Okay, but still, when it says click here to learn more, it's not the end of the world. If somebody really wants to learn more, they're going to click through it and get that anyway. So the first one is only linking to the money site. The second one is going to link to the money site and the previous one. Okay, as it gets bigger, what we want to do is be able to make it randomized, but at the moment it's going to do the last URL and it's going to link to the first video as well. Okay, so let's just go and test that as well before we finish here. So the second one is uploaded, so let's double click on this. Just get rid of that one there, and here you can see it's linked to the last one, and it's linked to the YouTube to the money URL as well. That's how the software works. It's very, very powerful, and with the other bits built in, with the indexing to Lindex and over to what's the other one, to link leashes, then that makes it more and more powerful. We can do the RSS feeds, we'll submit to 25 RSS feeds by the time we update it as well. More likely we want to do that after launch. Plus it will do only wired. Now one more thing I want to add in here is to post the social advert as well, okay? If we can get that one done, then it's very, very good. So that's been done, they're all been uploaded, so I can start pinging the links here. And you can see down here there's a progress bar. Let's go into blog ping tool, and that's done. It says queue empty when it's done because there's nothing left to queue. Okay, so now indexing the links again, you can see down here what it's doing. Loading submission page. Link submitted. Over to index. Now this one, what I can do is video optimization, for example. Oh, typo there, excuse me. Now all I need to do is click on mashup. There we go. So from there you can see that it's a valid RSS feed, and it's pulling in content from these different places. Okay, very, very good, very, very good. So what we can do from there is go over to bulkping.com and just get that syndicated to 25 RSS directories. This one will do to onlywire.com. I'm not going to cover that in this video, but there will be full training videos as we launch. Okay, so that's how it works. It's very, very easy, it's very powerful, very fast, and we will be adding more to it. Okay, thanks for your time, guys. Bye.